Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we're diving into foods with no carbs and no sugar. For years we've been told that carbs are our primary source of energy, but refined carbs in processed foods and sugary drinks can do more harm than good. High refined carbs and sugars cause blood sugar spikes and crashes. This can lead to inflammation, weight gain, diabetes, and heart disease. By focusing on low-carb, low-sugar foods, you can help your body heal and thrive. Let's explore 12 healthy foods with no carbs and no sugar you can enjoy every day. But first, always consult a healthcare professional before making any significant dietary changes. Let's start with a true nutritional powerhouse, the incredible edible egg. Eggs often get a bad rap because of their cholesterol content, but I'm here to tell you that the cholesterol in eggs is actually beneficial for you. It's a building block for essential hormones and cell membranes. Plus, eggs are packed with high-quality protein, which keeps you feeling full and satisfied, helping you eat less overall. Eggs are also an excellent source of choline, a nutrient that's crucial for brain health and liver function. And let's not forget about those amazing antioxidants like lutein and zeaxanthin, which are known for promoting eye health and protecting against macular degeneration. The best part is, eggs are incredibly versatile. You can have them scrambled, fried in a healthy fat like coconut oil or olive oil, poached, boiled. The possibilities are endless. So, don't shy away from this nutritional powerhouse. Incorporate eggs into your diet and experience the incredible benefits for yourself. Next up, we have a leafy green that deserves a standing ovation, kale. This cruciferous vegetable is packed with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that can transform your health. We're talking about vitamins A, C, and K, as well as folate, manganese, and powerful antioxidants like quercetin and camphorol, which have anti-inflammatory and anti-cancer properties. One of the best things about kale is its versatility. You can enjoy it raw in salads, sauté it with some garlic and olive oil, blend it into smoothies, or even bake it into crispy chips. No matter how you choose to enjoy it, kale is a nutritional powerhouse that can take your health to the next level. Now let's talk about a topic that often sparks debate, red meat. For years, red meat has been demonized as a contributor to heart disease and other health problems. But here's the truth. It's not red meat itself that's the problem, but rather the quality and how it's prepared. When you choose grass-fed, pasture-raised red meat, you're getting a nutritional powerhouse that's packed with protein, iron, B vitamins, zinc, and creatine, which is important for muscle function. The key is to consume red meat in moderation and to focus on healthier cooking methods like grilling, baking, or roasting, avoiding processed meats like bacon and sausage, which are often high in unhealthy additives. Cheese, a delicious source of healthy fats. Cheese lovers, rejoice. Cheese can absolutely be part of a healthy, no-carb, no-sugar diet. Cheese is naturally low in carbs and sugar and is a great source of healthy fats, protein, and calcium, which is essential for strong bones and teeth. Just like with red meat, it's important to choose high-quality cheese whenever possible. Look for cheese made from grass-fed or pasture-raised animals, and opt for varieties that are lower in sodium. Some great options include cheddar, mozzarella, Swiss, and brie. Enjoy cheese in moderation as part of a balanced meal or as a satisfying snack. Remember, it's all about making smart choices. Now let's talk about pecans, a brain-boosting snack. Nuts and seeds are nature's perfect snack, and pecans are no exception. These buttery nuts are not only delicious, but also packed with nutrients that can benefit your health in countless ways. Pecans are rich in healthy fats, including monounsaturated fats, which are known for supporting heart health. They're also a good source of fiber, which helps keep you feeling full and satisfied. And they contain important minerals like magnesium, potassium, and zinc. But one of the most impressive benefits of pecans is their impact on brain health. Pecans are rich in antioxidants, particularly flavonoids, which help protect your brain cells from damage and may even improve cognitive function. And cauliflower and cruciferous vegetables, versatile and nutrient-dense. Let's move on to another group of nutritional superstars, cauliflower and other cruciferous vegetables. This family of vegetables includes broccoli, Brussels sprouts, cabbage, and kale, all of which are incredibly low in carbs and sugar and are bursting with nutrients. cruciferous vegetables are known for their high content of fiber, vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants, including sulfur-containing compounds called glucosinolates, which have been linked to a reduced risk of cancer. One of the best things about cauliflower and its cruciferous cousins is their versatility. You can enjoy them roasted, steamed, sautéed, or even riced as a low-carb alternative to rice or potatoes. Salmon, a heart-healthy choice. When it comes to heart-healthy fats, salmon reigns supreme. This oily fish is loaded with omega-3 fatty acids, which are essential for reducing inflammation, lowering blood pressure, and improving cholesterol levels. But the benefits of salmon don't stop there. It's also an excellent source of high-quality protein, B vitamins, potassium, and selenium, a powerful antioxidant. Aim to include salmon in your diet at least twice a week to reap its incredible health benefits. You can grill it, bake it, pan-fry it, the choice is yours. Butter is back, a source of healthy fats. For years, butter was demonized as a dietary villain. But guess what? Butter is back, and it's here to stay. Real, grass-fed butter is a source of healthy saturated fats, which are essential for hormone production, cell function, and brain health. Butter also contains vitamins A, E, and K, as well as conjugated linoleic acid, or CLA, which has been linked to a number of health benefits, including reduced body fat and improved insulin sensitivity. So ditch the margarine and embrace the deliciousness and health benefits of real butter. Just be sure to choose grass-fed butter whenever possible to ensure you're getting the highest quality. Sauerkraut, a gut-friendly fermented food. Let's talk about gut health, which is crucial for overall well-being. And when it comes to gut health, fermented foods are your best friend. Sauerkraut, a fermented cabbage, is a powerhouse of probiotics, which are beneficial bacteria that help populate your gut and support digestion, immunity, and even mental health. Sauerkraut is also a good source of fiber, vitamin C, vitamin K, and iron. Plus, it's incredibly versatile and can be added to salads, sandwiches, or enjoyed as a flavorful side dish. Avocados, more than just guacamole. Avocados are a unique and incredibly nutritious fruit that can be a delicious part of a no-carb, no-sugar diet. They're rich in monounsaturated fats, which are heart-healthy fats that can help lower bad cholesterol levels and reduce the risk of heart disease. But avocados are much more than just a source of healthy fats. They're also packed with fiber, potassium, folate, vitamin C, vitamin K, and vitamin E. You can enjoy avocados in countless ways: sliced on salads, mashed into guacamole, blended into smoothies, or even used as a healthy substitute for mayonnaise in recipes. Nutritional yeast, a vegan's best friend. Nutritional yeast is a deactivated yeast that has a cheesy, nutty flavor and is a popular ingredient in vegan and vegetarian cooking. It's a complete protein, meaning it contains all 9 essential amino acids that your body needs but cannot produce on its own. Nutritional yeast is also an excellent source of B vitamins, particularly vitamin B12, which is often deficient in vegan diets. Additionally, it's a good source of trace minerals like zinc, selenium, and chromium. Sprinkle nutritional yeast on popcorn, pasta dishes, or use it to add a cheesy flavor to sauces and dips. It's a versatile and nutritious addition to any diet. Herbs and spices, flavor and health in a pinch. Last but not least, let's not forget about the power of herbs and spices. Not only do they add incredible flavor to your meals, but they're also packed with antioxidants and anti-inflammatory compounds that can benefit your health in countless ways. From turmeric and ginger to garlic and cinnamon, the world of herbs and spices is vast and offers something for everyone. Experiment with different flavors and find what you enjoy most. Your healthiest life starts now. So there you have it, 12 incredibly healthy foods that have no carbs and no sugar. By incorporating these foods into your diet, you can take control of your health and support your body's natural healing process. Remember, it's all about making small, sustainable changes over time. Start by incorporating 1 or 2 of these foods into your diet each day and gradually increase the variety as you become more comfortable. Your body will thank you for it. If you found this video helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more health and wellness tips. And for more information on foods that can help you achieve your health goals, check out our video on 6 foods that cause belly fat. The link is in the description below. Until next time, stay healthy.